Remember this, the king of the smartphone world. The phone that meant business, meant secure, meant you were different. Then silence. The touchscreen apocalypse took our beloved Barry. We mourned. We moved on. But what if I told you the king just checked back into the castle? Forget the rumors. Forget the sadness. Say hello to the BlackBerry Evolve 5G. This isn't a comeback, it's a hostile takeover. They took the legend, they poured in 2026 flagship power, and they created something that is going to shake the entire industry. The question is, are you ready to go physical again? The design and the keyboard. Let's start with the feel. The design. They didn't just nail it, they hammered it into a perfect slab of premium metal. This is pure, unapologetic BlackBerry classic DNA. But the real star, the physical keyboard is back. This isn't some mushy knockoff. This is tactile, satisfying, and built for people who actually type. No more sloppy taps on glass, this is where productivity is reborn. Display. Now for the Fusion. Above the keys, you've got that classic, landscape 4.6-inch HD display. Small, yes, but who cares when you get 120 Hz? Scrolling is like silk under your thumb, making every notification, every email, feel buttery smooth. And check this out, the legendary red LED notification light is back, baby. It's the little details that scream, I'm a BlackBerry loyalist. Camera setup. Okay, forget nostalgia for a second. This spec is pure flagship killer. While everyone else is busy playing with 4 pointless lenses, the Evolve 5G keeps it clean, a dual, colossal 105 megapixel camera. That is a monster sensor that eats low light conditions for breakfast. Plus, we get OIS for rock-steady video. Your selfies, crisp 12 megapixels, performance in the ecosystem. Under the hood, they gave this beast the best, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Top-tier gaming, seamless multitasking, zero compromise. And yes, we're running the latest Android OS, so you have the entire Google Play Store at your fingertips. It's the BlackBerry you love, running the apps you need, all on blazing fast 5G. Battery backup. Productivity users, clear your throats and listen up, a 5500 mAh battery, promising 2 to 3 days of life on a single charge. The battery anxiety is officially over. Price and launch date. And now, for the spec that makes absolutely no sense, the price. All of this flagship power, iconic design, and epic battery for an estimated $400. The BlackBerry Eclipse 5G is the ultimate blend of past glory and future power. Early 2026 is the target launch, and trust me, you'll want to be ready. Let me know in the comments, will you ditch your glass slab for the return of the king?